Penelope is starting to eat grapes. Oh. She'd rather say hello. Hi, everybody. That's not gonna work. Where's your grape? I cut her grape in half. She's just not used to it yet. Give her some yogurt. She loves her yogurt. Where you going, chickie? Oh, she's showing her teeth. Nice. I knew she would show you one day. Okay. I'll see y'all later. Uh-oh. What's she doing? Okay. See you later. Bye, everybody. See you next time. Oh, wait. She decides she's going to clean up a little bit. I wish I could get a better picture of her. She's rearranging. Let me flip that over. There you go. Now you can get it. She's rearranging the set. That crazy speaker over there keeps making noise. Oh well, I thought she was going to show you something like eating her grape, but she's not. Nope. Okay. Maybe next time. See y'all later.